There is a place within the chest where stillness learns to stay. When fear once tightened every breath, this center shows the way. A quiet strength beneath the waves, unmoved by outer sound. It waits for trust and patient sight to stand its sacred ground. In the heart of steady calm, fear begins to fade. A deeper courage gently forms, where balance now is made through patience held and vision clear. The spirit finds its tone, an anchored peace, unshaken sure, a strength that stands alone. When hope and dread pull opposite, the body feels the strain, yet held in steady awareness, the storm no longer reigns. This channel holds opposing tides and teaches how to stay, not rushed by urge or shaken fear, but rooted in the way. In the heart of steady calm, fear begins to fade. A deeper courage gently forms, where balance now is made through patience held and vision clear. The spirit finds its tone, an anchored peace, unshaken sure, a strength that stands alone. Tortoise, slow and sure, each step is deeply known. No wasted force, no sudden flight, just truth in motion shown. The energy once bound in fear turns toward a higher aim, and builds the soul with quiet care, no longer fed by flame. Steadfastness becomes the path where fear no longer leads. The heart stands calm between all pulls, released from grasping needs, through inner balance gently won. The seeker learns to stand prepared for deeper growth ahead, with peace held close